Okay, Carly. 51 in the test, so you're a few marks off for seeing that. Now this paper is probably tougher than the first paper, so let's see how you've got on. You need to add the 0. Your calculator doesn't do that for you because it doesn't know you're working in money. 20% discount, write 20% as a decimal and multiply it by your value, and that gives you your discount. 120 kilometers is about the distance from Tenby to Cardiff, so it's certainly not the length of a football pitch, but you've got the other 3 correct, and you've got that correct as well. 9 for the first page. Chord and tangent are good. Use a ruler, sure you can do that just to measure the length, so you'll be looking to do that. 7.9 centimeters is what you're looking for. Perpendicular means at right angles too, so you're looking for that type of line. 49 squares is correct. However, this particular question is giving you that each square represents 6 square meters, so you then need to times that by 6 to get your answer there. For that page. That's good. That's pretty good. 6 marks for that page. Well done. Well done. Well done. (43, 46) is correct. Again, remember, you're allowed to use a calculator here, so all you need to do on your calculator, 53% as a decimal times by 82 equals. That's 8. Well done. Good page. What am I doing? Sorry, 5, 10 on that page. Excellent. Add 4 each time is correct. Okay, so this isn't adding or subtracting because they're different values. So what you then try and do is multiply or divide. They're going down, so it's not multiply. So you're thinking divide. I'm looking at the smaller numbers and I can see that, oh, 27 divided by 3 is 9. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So 81 divided by 3 is 27. Play around with your calculator and you'll see that that's the case. With this equation then, it isn't 3 add question mark, it's 3 times question mark equals 18. So 3 times question mark equals 18, and then you go wrong from there. Now we're going to be doing this coming week, so this will be something that will become easier for you. Anyway, 6 is what you're looking for there. So you've done the first stage to get the 18, but then you haven't divided by 3. So you haven't done enough, which is correct, to get a mark. With this one, you're adding 3, so that will become x plus 3. This one, take a look at how I explain it on the video clip. Range is 58, mean is 52, 58 is, hold on now, 4 marks there. That is the range, not the mean. This is the mean, but you haven't taken 15 off all of them, because that is wrong. So you lose 2 marks there. Basically, because the 15 has come off every single one of them, doesn't affect the range as you've shown, but it does affect the mean. It will take £15 off the average because £15 has come off every one of them. So that was a page that you should have done better on, really. 6 marks for the page. we'll be doing some bearings work, practice, but the first part of this, you just need to measure the line joining P to Q in centimetres and then multiply it by 8 to scale it up. With this one, what you've worked out there is not markers, but how many days it would take one marker. So it would take one marker 60 days, and so in order to complete it in 10 days, you'd need 6 markers. So for that, you would get 4 marks. Your maths here is right. Your context is wrong because you're thinking markers, but it should be days, and you aren't communicating with me at all as to what you're working out. And then it looks to me like you've run out of time. So certainly on those last 4 pages there were some hard questions, but some that if you'd given yourself time you would have been able to have a go at. 9, 13, 19, 29, 35, 39, 39 is an E, 6 marks off a D. It's quite a long way away from the C, 19 marks away from the C boundary. So you need to make sure you're allowing yourself more time to get these homework papers done, Karli.